They're arresting them. They would against the law for me. Yeah.
It is. I'm thinking of coming down. I'm thinking of just. There's really nowhere to let it just land safely. There's something comes off.
What do they got now, Charlie? Huh? What they put on there now? Where'd that piece come from?
I think.
On the other side? Well, why wouldn't they take that top piece off?
Shelf, sun.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Really? Because it's not very deep. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. I apologize. Did you take your allergy pills today?
Dang it, no. I was looking for it, but I couldn't find it.
Right on my nightstand. We'll have to go home and get it. Okay.
That was not dramatic, Mama. I was traumatized.
Drama. Not dramatic. Trauma.
I can't wait for you to get a haircut tomorrow. It's so nice.
What?
I'm going to cut.
10 a.m.
Oh, that's really early.
I'm going to cut.
I had other guys that had
You didn't know I was the barber.
Cuts his own hair.
I cut my own hair. Use the weed.
I cut my own hair and I messed it up bad.
Oh, my son's working down an artist today.
this, I appreciate it. It backs up then. So, funeral gathering to go to. I don't know how that went. So that's fine.
He has a soccer tournament this week.
Oh, I don't know.
This weekend.
And I said I'm not going, but I guess they have to. Who's that?
Where? That's Dave. He also works for the water park. His liquor license?
He works for a puppy dog retriever?
Yes, liquor store guy.
Oh.
Why? What?
I left it blank for my middle name. That's what I come back on.
Why do you have to get a liquor license?
Sell it. On the wall, and I have to carry mine with me. Taking a walk, that's why.
And I said,
It's not a bad thing to have. Like, it's not a bad thing to have all this stuff on.
That's what I told you, man. That's why I think I want to be a crane operator.
I'm gonna stay where I can keep my feet level. I won't even go. Nope. Any costs?
I think they've,
Mom, that's so big. Like Titanic literally takes you on the cruise.
Hey, wait now. Yeah, I don't know what's staying away from
Four
water.
boxes down. Don't worry, my dad's like 50 already, so. Are you on live or are you on FaceTime?
No, they're supposed to be done by me. I think they're a little bit
A lot of legs. I hope those guys have birds. Yeah, take one of those torches across your harness, bro. Don't run into Ray. Watch out, Ray. He's getting pretty close.
Not in my face,
come down there and bother you there?
No, actually he doesn't unless Joe brings him in every once in a while.
That's good.
He picks on my daughter when he sees her at the gas station. He gives her a hard time. She could be a blonde.
Is she working at the BP?
No. She works at a retirement home behind Meyer. She goes to BP about twice a day. She gets her ice in her little, what is it, the Stanley thing?
Oh, Charlie, lying for cigarette.
Very mildly. I don't think she I would want to be buying cigarettes these days.
Nope. Bad for your wallet and your health. Not sure which is worse.
The ones I used to smoke are like $12 a pack.
Look out! Jesus Christ.
I used to Dave come out.
What fell? Was that beach on top? I slid into the dumpster.
Where'd they go?
He might be out there.
It looked like he was on a dumpster. I just found somebody. Yeah. I jumped up around.
Stop. Looks like he drove through the grass.
Acts like he's a superintendent. See if it got scratched.
loose stock in the side. I took it there. I bet they need water for it. See, that's where I was saving a few steps. I don't know. You hear what you say? I'm going to run you. Why do you guys breathe?
Hey, get over here. Okay, grab it, get over here. Charlie, there you go.
I like to do it.
If you're here about the weeds, found some